In February 2026, one of the biggest names in open source AI made a shocking move. Peter Steinberger, creator of OpenClaw, just joined OpenAI to build the next generation of personal agents, and the internet went wild. If you haven't heard of OpenClaw, here's the quick version. It's a free open source AI agent that runs on your computer, not just a chatbot, but an actual assistant that can browse the web, send emails, manage your calendar, even run commands on your machine. Peter Steinberger launched it in November 2025 and it exploded. Within weeks, it hit nearly 200,000 GitHub stars, making it one of the fastest growing open source projects in history. By early February, users had created 1.5 million AI agents with it. So why did Steinberger leave his own wildly successful project to join OpenAI? Simple. He wants to build the next generation of personal agents at massive scale. OpenAI gave him the resources and team to turn his vision into reality for millions of users. But here's the twist. OpenClaw isn't disappearing. Steinberger is transferring it to an independent foundation, and OpenAI itself is sponsoring the project. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, said supporting open source is critical in what he calls a multi-agent future. Let's back up. What makes OpenClaw special? Unlike cloud-based assistants, it runs locally on your machine. That means your data stays on your computer, not sent to some distant server. You're in full control of your privacy and your information. It also connects to messaging apps you already use: WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal. You chat with your agent like texting a friend, and it goes to work in the background, completing tasks autonomously without you having to babysit it. OpenClaw can execute what are called skills, specific tasks written in simple markdown files. Browse the web for research, send emails, manage files, schedule meetings, even run shell commands. It's like having a personal assistant who actually does the work, not just suggests it. The project went viral partly because of something called Moltbook, a social network where only AI agents could post. OpenClaw agents joined in, creating memes, arguing philosophy, even inventing a new religion called Crustafarianism. Yes, really. But it's not all memes and fun. People are using OpenClaw for serious work. One agent negotiated over $4,000 off a car purchase via email. Another filed a legal rebuttal to an insurance denial autonomously. These agents are getting stuff done in the real world. However, there's a catch. Security researchers quickly raised red flags. Over 40,000 OpenClaw instances were found exposed online in early February, many with serious vulnerabilities. Experts warn that without proper configuration, it can be risky, even dangerous. The problem is that OpenClaw has broad permissions by design. It can read files, run commands, access your accounts. If someone tricks the agent with a malicious prompt, what's called prompt injection, they could potentially steal data or hijack your system. So while OpenClaw is powerful and innovative, it's not plug and play for everyone. Experts recommend it only for technically savvy users who understand the risks and know how to configure it securely. It's a tool that demands respect and careful setup. The bigger picture, Steinberger joining OpenAI signals where AI is headed toward agents that don't just chat but act. They'll schedule, negotiate, research, and automate on your behalf. The assistant you've always wanted might finally be arriving. OpenClaw proved that people want AI agents who actually do things, not just answer questions. And now, with Steinberger at OpenAI building the next generation, that future just got a lot closer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.